Welcome to 5 Minute English. Today we'll learn about topic 33, seasonal prep, wardrobe and packing. Let's get started. Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What do people often pack for a trip to the beach? Think about it while we learn.
Great. Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Pack. To fill a bag with items.
Example: I need to pack my clothes for the trip.
Fold. To bend something over.
Example: please fold the shirts neatly.
Choose. To select from options.
Example: you should choose a warm coat.
Wear. To have clothing on your body.
Example: I will wear my favorite sweater.
Bring. To carry something to a place.
Example: don't forget to bring your shoes.
Unpack. To remove items from a bag.
Example: I will unpack my suitcase later.
Organize. To arrange things in order.
Example: let's organize the clothes by type.
Label. To attach a name tag.
Example: I will label the boxes for easier finding.
Prepare. To make ready for use.
Example: we need to prepare our outfits for the party.
Select. To pick out from several options.
Example: select your favorite dress for the event.
Suitcase. A large bag for traveling.
Example: I packed my clothes in my suitcase.
Jacket. A piece of clothing worn on the upper body.
Example: I need a jacket for the cold weather.
Shoes. Footwear for protection and comfort.
Example: I bought new shoes for the trip.
Scarf. A piece of cloth worn around the neck.
Example: she wore a warm scarf in winter.
Sweater. A knitted garment worn on the upper body.
Example: he likes to wear a sweater in winter.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation.
Hey, are you ready to pack for your trip?
Yes, I am. I need to choose what to wear. Should I bring a jacket?
Definitely. The weather can be chilly. Don't forget your scarf and sweater, too.
Good idea. How should I organize my suitcase?
You can fold your clothes neatly and label the packing cubes for easy access.
That sounds helpful. I'll also pack an extra pair of shoes.
Great. Let's make sure we unpack everything when we get back.
Yes, I want to keep my wardrobe organized.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words and you repeat after me.
Pack. Fold. Choose. Wear. Bring. Unpack. Organize. Label. Prepare. Select. Suitcase. Jacket. Shoes. Scarf. Sweater.
Here's the answer.
The correct answer is swimsuit and towel. When we go swimming, we need certain things to bring with us. One important thing is a swimsuit. A swimsuit is a special clothing that we wear in the water.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-Minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.